y'all, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys a new wig, and I'm kind of excited because I have another wig from Julia Hair, and Julia Hair has some amazing hair. I have worked with them in the past, but that was years and years ago. But then I did a video with them like a month ago, and I absolutely loved the hair. It was like this curly wig with blonde and everything. Anyway, I'll link it below because that hair was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm super excited to try some hair from them today, but I cannot remember the type of hair that they sent me. So we're gonna do the unboxing here together and get into it. All right, so this is the box, and they give you a bunch of goodies in this little bag. Let's see what all we have. We have a silk scarf, a wig cap, some hair clips, and a pair of super dramatic lashes. I don't wear lashes like this, but these are crazy. And now let's go ahead and get into this wig. The hair color is definitely a off black. It's definitely curly, curly, curly. Very pretty, long length. Very pretty. The hairline looks really good straight out the pack. It doesn't look like this is pre-bleached at all. So what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and bleach this. The lace color looks good. The lace color is blending like perfectly. So it really is just a matter of the knots being bleached. Comb on either side, no comb at the top, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, no elastic band. So yeah, I'm gonna just bleach the knots on this and I will be right back. So, joke's on me, I don't have any bleach. So what we're gonna have to do is use lace tint spray. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just put 2 plaits in my hair, braid it down, and when I come back, I'll be ready to lay this wig. This hair looks so good. I absolutely love it. Now, I didn't put any water or any mousse or anything yet. I just kind of wanted to show you guys this hair straight out the pack. So it's definitely wearable straight out the pack. These types of wigs, I never put like a hard part into them. I just don't feel like they look good or natural that way. So I usually just do like a flip over situation. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Wow. This hair is beautiful. I love it.